Good evening, students. Thank you for attending this session. Today we are going to talk about types of weeds found in fish ponds. We have 3 types of weeds that are found in our fish ponds. We have submerged plants, we have emergent plants, floating plants, and algae blooms. Now, in every part of these plants, let us discuss each of them. Let us start with the algal weeds. These are weeds which in fish ponds, which are found in fish ponds, are either planktonic or filamentous forms. Very often, a particular phytoplankton form multiply rapidly to form dense masses when environmental conditions and availability of nutrients are most favorable. Such dense growths, referred to as water bloom, are responsible for impacting to the water colors like green, yellow, green, red, brown, and blue green, depending on the type of bloom forming algae. Filamentous algae very often grow densely, covering the pond surface or pond bottom. This is an example of planktonic algae in my photo there, as you can see on the screen. Then we have azolla. Those are the floating weeds. They are just found on the surface of the water. Then we have the water hyacinth. There are also types of floating weeds. They are found on the water surface. Especially they have become a menace in Lake Victoria, as well as in our fish ponds. Then we have emergent weeds. These weeds are rooted to the bottom but have stems, leaves, and flowers which extend above the water surface. They primarily occur on the shoreline and in shallow water up to 10 feet deep. Common immersed weeds are water lily and alligator weed. Those are the common ones that are found in our fish ponds. These are an example of the weeds. They are cattails, emergent weeds, as you can see in the image projected on the screen. Then we go to submergent weeds. Submergent aquatic weeds grow under and up to the water surface. Most submerged weeds have flowers and seed heads that extend above the surface of the water. Examples of common submerged weeds include hydrilla and Brazilian endolea. These are examples of submergent weed. That is, an example is sago pondweed, as you can see on the projected on the screen. Then we have clasping leaf. That is another example of submergent weeds. Thank you for the session.